You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to append a new data frame to Excel table using Python. I have already created an Excel table. This Excel file is stored in root folder. Root folder is the place where our Python source code file is stored. This is the table that has 4 rows and 2 columns. I will append new data frame at the end of this table. Data frames format must be same as Excel table. I have already installed Python Pandas. So first of all we will import Python Pandas. First of all we will read the Excel sheet and transfer table to a data frame. Here sheet name is products and Excel file name is my Excel. Next we will print this data frame and run the program. In output window it is printing a tabular structure. We will append a new data frame at the end of this tabular structure. Next we will create a new data frame. For creating new data frame, first of all we will create a dictionary. Next we will convert this dictionary to data frame. This dictionary has 2 columns and 3 rows. Its format is same as data frame 1. Next we will convert dictionary DICT to data frame df2 by using pandas.dataframe function. Next we will print data frame 2 and again run the program. In output window it is showing 2 tables. We will append second table at the end of first table. Next we will append second data frame to first data frame. For this operation, first of all we will calculate the length of both the data frame. Here m equal to length of second data frame and n equal to length of first data frame. Next we will run for loop from 1 to m. In for loop body we will read each row of the data frame 2 one by one by using ilog function. Ilog function return the row as per index. Next we will print all the rows of data frame 2 and run the program. In output window it is showing all the rows of data frame 2 in the form of object because ilog function return row in the form of object. Here we cannot append object to data frame. So first of all we will convert each row of the data frame into a tuple. Directly we cannot convert object to tuple. So first of all we will convert object to list, then we will convert that list to tuple. Next I will print all the tuples of data frame 2 and again run the program. In output window, it is showing 3 tuples. Each tuple has 2 values. We will append these tuples to data frame 1. Now we will insert each tuple one by one at the end of data frame 1 by using add function. In this way, we have appended second data frame to first data frame. Next, we will print our new appended data frame df1 and again run the program. In this time, in output window, it is showing a new data frame that has value of both the data frame df1 and df2. It has 7 rows and 2 columns. Next, we will convert this new data frame into an Excel file. I am using 2 Excel function for converting data frame to Excel file. Previous Excel file name is my Excel and I am using same name for our new appended Excel file. It means our new Excel file will replace old Excel file. Sheet name is also same, that is products. We have successfully export data frame to Excel file. At last we will print the success message that new Excel file created. We have created the program. Next, run the program. In output window, it is showing message that new Excel file created. It means a new Excel file is existed in root folder. This is our new Excel file. Next, we will open this Excel file. Now, in Excel file, we have 7 rows and 2 columns. If you like this tutorial, then kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.